Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create story videos for kids on YouTube online without downloading any programs before you subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like the video. Let's start right away. First we go to ChatGPT and ask him to write a story for children. We read the created article a little and now we go to the Leonardo AI site and visualize the story by entering prompts appropriate to the story. When creating the visuals, do not forget to select the 16:9 ratio and create visuals, as we will create a horizontal video. Yes, some images have started to appear. We select the beautiful ones and save them. Now we enter another prompt. I create different images by changing the prompts. This kind of children's story videos are watched very well. You can create a nice channel by preparing such videos and enlarge your channel. But of course these jobs require stability, so prepare and plan videos for this and upload them to your YouTube channel. You can grow your channel after 1.2 months and earn good money. On the back we create our visuals beautifully. Now artificial intelligence has grown a lot and we can get very nice things without much effort and people make money from them. When uploading these videos to your YouTube channel, don't forget to choose your title well. For this, you can choose nice titles and put them in your video by typing an interesting title on ChatGPT. Now you can go to an artificial intelligence site that cuts any background. I went to Removal AI site and cut the teddy's background myself and saved it. I want to put the bear photo in a background and I go to the site called Removal AI. You can go to other sites. Then we go to the site called CapCut and press the Edit Online button. From there, we upload these images we download to the site. I drag images down one by one. I place the bear in the background that we prepared before. Then we go to any voice site and post the story we created in ChatGPT. Here, I entered a voice site named TTS Free.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions.
The life that you are living now is also a dream
The life that you are living now
of millions. So always be satisfied with your life, be happy in every moment of life.
We download the audio and upload it to the CapCut site. Click the caption section now, then click the auto caption section inside. And our subtitles were formed. I'm making it better by making some tweaks on it.
dreams, lived a brave little girl named Lily. One day, her favorite toy, a fluffy teddy bear, met in the enchanted forest.
I add stickers inside videos and trigger people to subscribe and like the video. You can tinker with the site more and customize things like transition effects and get people to watch this video more. You can earn a lot of money by making such videos, but it would be better to download some montage programs to become more professional in this business. In my future videos, I will show you how to use these programs, practical information, how to shoot the video and new RE sites. I hope you like my video.
In a land of candy and dreams, lived a brave little girl named Lily. One day, her favorite toy, a fluffy teddy bear, went missing in the enchanted forest. Determined to find him, Lily set off on an adventure filled with talking animals and magical surprises. With the help of newfound friends, she discovered that kindness and courage were the keys to unlocking the forest's secrets. Together, they reunited Lily with her beloved teddy bear, teaching everyone that true friendship could overcome any challenge. And so, in the land of candy and dreams, they celebrated their magical journey with laughter and joy.